Welcome back to my channel Aqwal Ki Dunya.
Who is Dr. Zakir Naik? This is an introduction to Dr. Zakir Naik. Dr. Zakir Naik is a renowned Islamic preacher, scholar, and the founder of the Islamic Research Foundation, IRF. He is known globally as an expert in comparative religion. His speeches are rich with references from the Qur'an and scriptures of various other faiths. With a simple yet logical style, he explains Islam in a way that connects with people, which is why millions follow him on YouTube and other platforms for guidance. 30 famous quotes of Drive Zakir Naik. If you want to understand Islam, read the Quran, not the actions of Muslims. The Quran is the original source, while actions are often personal interpretations. Truth is what stands firm even in the face of questions, and the Quran provides logical answers to every question. Prayer is not just worship, it is a means of connecting with Allah, a spiritual meeting. We cannot see Allah, but we can recognize His wisdom by understanding His commands. Knowledge that doesn't benefit others is a burden, not a light. Does Islam teach terrorism? No. Islam is a religion of peace, justice, and mercy. The Quran does not conflict with science, it aligns with true science. There is no extremism in religion, only reasoning. Speak with logic, not anger. As long as questions exist, Islam will thrive, because Islam has answers for all. A Muslim is not just someone by name, but someone who lives by the Quran and Sunnah. A religion that contradicts reason is not a religion, it is philosophy. Islam respects the intellect. Every human is born with natural faith. It's the environment that changes them. Islam calls us back to that nature. If we truly understand the Quran, most of the world's problems would automatically resolve. Don't follow my words, follow the Quran. Can never be wrong. Islam honors women, it does not exploit them. Can non-Muslims enter paradise? If they recognize the truth and act upon it, Allah will judge fairly. Faith is not just verbal, it is reflected through actions. If knowledge doesn't bring humility, it leads to arrogance. The greatest weapon is the tongue. If filled with knowledge, it spreads light, not chaos. Islam changes hearts, not just laws. Laws follow the condition of hearts. Anything that contradicts reason cannot become part of faith. The Quran is not just for recitation, but for understanding and implementation. Islam is the most misunderstood religion in the world, and also the most truthful. Truth is what remains true even after the test of time, and Islam is such a truth. If you want others to understand your religion, be a living example of it. Belief based on reason is strong, blind faith is not. Allah does not demand success from us, only effort. The results are in His hands. Islam allows difference of opinion, not hatred. If practicing religion feels difficult, then chaos in the world is inevitable.